5, leading the way.
All right, we're staying on top of that breaking news out of Claremont County, where the coroner has responded to a home explosion.
The shocking moment, you see it behind us. The house blowing up, captured by a neighbor's home security video. WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick joins us live from Tate Township, where crews are still on scene, responding to the aftermath of that explosion and fire. Brian.
Yeah, Stephen, well, this was a massive explosion right here on Vicjoy Road. It rattled the entire neighborhood and leveled a house. Take a look. You can see crews are still here on the scene. You can see a number of fire crews down there, the fire and the explosion just beyond those flashing sirens here. Now take a look at the Ring camera from a neighbor across the street. You can see how powerful this explosion was. Insulation fell like snow. The fire actually started moments later, according to those who rushed to the scene from the neighborhood. The victims are a man and a woman. We're told they live there. The person injured is a heating repair person. Neighbors say he was standing outside after the explosion, but covered in soot and debris, his hair singed. But he was talking. Now, he was transported. We do not have a condition on that person. The Bethel Tate fire chief was here a few minutes ago and updated us on the latest information.
Explosion was, you could definitely tell with the debris field, it was a large explosion that had sent debris across the neighborhood. So it's not something that we usually will impact or see on a daily basis when we come. So it definitely had a large amount of energy to make a house like that go apart.
Yeah, the other problem was once this house exploded, there was the fire. They knew they had victims inside, so trying to get to those victims was a real problem because you had debris everywhere, you had fire everywhere, and you really weren't sure where these victims were. So that created a huge effort for the fire department as well. They do not have a cause yet. The chief did confirm that there's propane to this house. That's definitely something they'll have to look at to determine whether or not that was a factor. And there have been no identities released on these victims at this time. Reporting live, Brian Hamrick, WLWT News 5.
People in a Claremont County community are wondering what caused this terrible explosion.
And the home completely leveled. 2 people inside died. Another person was hurt. All of this happening on Vicjoy Drive in Tate Township. And WLWT News 5's Rachel Hersheimer live right now from the scene with the latest. Rachel?
Mike, Cherie, it has been such a somber day for all of the people who live on this street, Vicjoy Drive, where this home exploded early this morning. There's debris now scattered everywhere. This blast was so powerful, it could be felt for miles.
A house just blew up on Vicjoy Drive.
Frantic calls to 911 as people were beginning their day.
Vicjoy Drive, Bethel, Ohio. I believe somebody's house just exploded.
Just after 8:30 on Vicjoy Drive in Tate Township, a house exploded.
I was just in my house and I just heard a big boom.
Okay.
And I looked out the window and it's gone.
Is the house is gone?
Yeah, it exploded. It's on fire.
Firefighters say a man and a woman were killed. Another man was taken to the hospital with burn injuries. Neighbors believe he was a heating repairman.
Wake up, make the coffee, then, you come home,
and some of your neighbors are gone.
The impact so powerful it was felt for miles.
Like, it literally woke me up and I grabbed my daughter. I was like, and I was like, did a tree come through our house?
Jacelyn Harris shot out of bed because her house started shaking.
It was insane. And we come outside and there's smoke and there was a fire. And then we go out back and you can see like a big, like gray smoke. It was crazy.
What's left is debris and rubble now scattered everywhere, and families mourning the loss of the two people whose lives were taken instantly.
It's heartbreaking to know there's a family out there grieving two people.
And you were taking a live look at what is left of this home after it exploded early this morning. Tonight, there are so many questions. How could this happen? What caused this home to explode? All of those questions will be answered by the State Fire Marshal's office. We're live tonight in Tate Township. Rachel Hersheimer, WLWT News 5.
Some breaking news happening right this second. Flames shooting up right now from the rubble of that home that exploded in Clermont County.
That fire starting up minutes ago at a house on Vicjoy Drive in Tate Township. We do know 2 people died in the explosion yesterday, and another person was taken to the hospital. Stephen Albritton live from that area. He's the one who actually had to call the fire department back to the scene this morning. Stephen, give us an update on the latest here this morning.
Kelly, they literally just rolled up. We'll take you a look. They're getting into that wreckage, trying to figure out what caught fire over there in the middle of it. When we pulled up, an hour ago, you can see smoke smoldering, but this home blew up about 21 hours ago or so. So you'd expect, things might still be rolling, but then this started to pick up in the last 30 minutes or so. So you have 2 trucks out here right now, but it's still, you see the debris all around the firefighters who are trying to work hard to get this put out. And you got insulation everywhere, a front door 100 yards from where it was, insulation up in the trees. But all of this caused by what happened 21 hours ago. Take a look and listen to how powerful this explosion was.
The house at the end of the road exploded, or something exploded at the end of the street.
That video and those frantic 911 calls capturing the chaos in the moments after the blast. It could be felt for miles. Firefighters say a man and a woman were killed. Another was taken to the hospital with burns. None of them have been identified, but neighbors tell us they believe that man who was hurt was actually a heating repairman. And you have to feel for them, what they're going through, what they're seeing. Some of them feeling helpless about what happened.
Like, can we do anything to help? Like, where are they? But like, how do you find 2 people under a whole house full of a pile of rubble, It's heartbreaking to know there's a family out there grieving 2 people.
Yeah, so this is a dead-end road, houses relatively close. There were other homes damaged by that blast, but thankfully no other injuries. Later on in the next half hour, we're going to learn more about the pets that lived in the house when the home exploded. But back here live, you can see the firefighters, about 6 or 7 of them, getting that fire put out that was smoldering earlier. It's been a very, very busy 24 hours for the Bethel Tate Fire Department, going through what happened yesterday and then what's happening tomorrow. And again, we still do not know why this home exploded. We're reporting live out here in Tate Township. Stephen Albritton, WLWT News 5. Kelly, Megan, we'll send it back to you guys in the studio. Well, actually, let's stay out here for 1 second to see what they're going on. Looks like they're rolling this piece of metal over right now. Can't quite tell what this was, but they are getting, looks like a fire extinguisher on it, getting those flames put out. So we'll keep an eye on this, and we'll get back to you guys in the studio.
Absolutely. And Stephen, the debris from what we saw yesterday was all over that neighborhood. So we will stay on top of it and stick with us here on WLWT for this developing story. We'll be in Tate Township working to get answers. Of course, the neighbors there wondering what happened there. We'll have updates on air and online, WLWT.com, as well as our mobile app.